Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable disabled apps on any Vivo phone. Now on our smartphone, the Play Store has been disabled, so that is why we cannot find it in the app drawer or on the home screen. Now to enable the disabled apps on your smartphone, just go to your home screen and open the Settings app. From here, just scroll down and tap on Apps. Now just tap on See All Apps. Now in the search bar, just search the name of the apps which you want to enable. Now as you can see, this is the Play Store app. Just tap on it and from here just tap on Enable. Now once you do that, and if you go to your home screen and open the app drawer, you will find the disabled apps in the app drawer. And this is how you can enable disabled apps on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.